Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be driving from Grandspen towards Barbican. So we are on Grandspen Road now, and then we're going to turn left onto Barbican Road. I noticed they set up two new chicken restaurants in Grandspen. We'll check them out in the next video. So this is the Kingston 8 area in the city of Kingston. If we were to go straight, we'd go into the Drumblair area where they have a lot of developments. We're going to turn left here and go on to Barbican Road now. Now this section of Barbican Road hasn't been upgraded yet, but once we pass over the stoplight, that section has been upgraded. So if we turn left here, we would go into Russell Heights, but we're going to stay on Barbican Road. And straight ahead is a residential building. This is actually the tallest building in Barbican, 6 or 7 floors. If anybody knows the name of that building, you can let us know. On this side of Barbican Road, very nicely done, and I must say, ever since they upgraded this road like this, though, you don't have the traffic delays that you used to have. The traffic flows freely. So on the left now is Birdsucker Lane at the stoplight. If we turn left, that's Birdsucker Lane. Turn right, we go into Hilo. Now on the left is Barbican Square, and straight ahead is Fontana Pharmacy. If we went straight, we would stay on Barbican Road, but we're going to turn right and go on to East Kings House Road. Barbican Center on the right. That's where you find the Lashushan supermarket. Now this section of East Kings House Road is to be upgraded to 4 lanes. The project should start this year. We're now going to turn onto Sandhurst Crescent, and look on the right, you're going to see so many apartment buildings going up. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.